Hey, so before I start off the video, just note that the Amazon Prime Day sale is starting from 12th to 14th of July, and if you're interested in purchasing any of the gadgets that are shown in this video, this would be the best and the most amazing opportunity to save yourself a lot of money by getting some huge discounts from the manufacturers and even including the credit card discounts. So no matter which of the gadgets you are interested to buy, make sure you buy in the upcoming Amazon Prime Day sale. Let's start off with the video. So if you are looking to buy a dash cam under the 5000 price bracket, it can get very difficult because there are plenty of options within that budget range. But in this video, I'm going to show you that one perfect option which you should definitely consider as your next budget dash camera. I'm talking about the Qubo Smart Dashcam Pro X. So starting off, this comes at a price of around 3000 rupees only. And at this particular price point, it offers some impressive features, including the fact that this gets a 360-degree rotatable design, which means you can rotate the camera and even record inside the cabin of your car. Secondly, this gets a detachable mount, so whenever you want, you can easily remove the camera from the windshield within an instant. In addition to this, the most practical feature which you can get from this camera is that this supports 1 TB SD cards. Yes, if you do use a 1 TB SD card within this, you will get months and months worth of footage without any deletion. And to top it all off, to those who are concerned about parking your cars during sunlight, during high heat conditions, this camera gets a super capacitor, which means it has better resistance against heat and there is less chance of the camera breaking down or camera getting damaged due to heat. Last but not the least, this just doesn't give you a full HD resolution, rather gives you a full HD plus resolution, that's 1296p at 30 frames per second. It even gets some level of night vision as well. So even during night conditions, the video will be optimized to give you the best possible performance within that budget range. So considering all of these aspects, the Smart Dashcam Pro X is one powerful contender under the 5000 segment, or should I say under the 3000 segment, giving you one of the best budget options that's available out there. So in this video, I'm going to show you a quick unboxing along with the video quality and the number plate readability from this camera from both day and night time. And by the time you finish watching this video, I'm pretty sure you'll be convinced to get this camera if you do have a budget of about 3 to 4000 rupees. You're watching Gizmo Beep. Let's take a look. So this is the Qubo Smart Dashcam Pro X, one of the finest entry-level dashcams that are currently available in the Indian market. So this gets plenty of features, wherein I personally like that this is a 360-degree rotatable design, gets also superior night vision, gets time-lapse recording, gets a wide lane coverage, and of course supports memory cards up to 1 TB. And extremely good factor is that this gets a super capacitor and also gets a detachable design. I mean, all these features are like very practical and very useful. So let's quickly open up the box and show you the contents inside. So as soon as you do open up the box, you get a QR code for the quick start guide, and on the back you get a QR code to download the Qubo Pro app for both Google Play and Apple App Store. Following that, you get a Qubo product sheet wherein they have highlighted all the different products in their lineup which can help you create a smarter home. And finally, here is the Smart Dashcam Pro X, an entry-level budget camera with some super cool features. Starting off, this gets a detachable design. Basically means you can easily detach the camera whenever you want and just take it away. You can push it back and it locks into its place. The next best thing is it's 360-degree rotatable, which means you can even turn this around to record the cabin of the car. Another cool thing is that this gets a LED indicator at the back, so you can easily monitor the status of the dashcam. You also get a mic at the back, so audio recording will be pretty much flawless. At the bottom, you get a power button and some ventilation holes. On one side, you get a micro USB port and a memory card slot. On top of this detachable mount, you have got this big large sticker right here which sticks onto the windshield. And the best thing about this camera is that this comes around the price bracket of only 3000 rupees. So if you're super tight on your budget, the Qubo Smart Dashcam Pro X should be your definite choice. You also get a Qubo branded 12-volt car charger in the box, which gets a single USB-A port along with a LED indicator. Following that, you get a main USB power cable with a micro USB straight connector at one end and a USB-A straight connector at the other end. Then you have a spare sticker for the windshield mount. You also get a wiring installation tool. And finally, you also get an electrostatic sticker. So these are things inside the box. So now let's move on and quickly take a look at the video quality of the Qubo Smart Dashcam Pro X and see how it fares. Starting off with the video quality during daytime, this camera shoots 2304 into 1296p at 30 frames per second with close to 10,000 kbps of bitrate with about 70 MB per minute of file size. Taking a look at the number plate readability as you're seeing on the screen right now, absolutely no noise, clear number plate read at a very close range. Moving on to the rest of the quality, the saturation, the contrast and the brightness levels do look quite decent. Of course, this was like an overcast condition, hence the video is not really bright. As you can see, so many clouds out there. But considering this is a close to 3000 rupee price bracket dash camera, the video quality is extremely good and sufficient for the price you will be paying for this camera. The field of view of this camera is about 120 degrees and is sufficient enough to cover most of the activity that is happening in front of the lens. Going on to the nighttime video quality, the super night vision is actually doing its job pretty well. You can see the sky even to some extent being a bit brighter than it actually is, and of course the road is completely lit up with those lights owing to the high exposure because of the night vision that is integrated within the camera. If we do take a look at the number plate readability, of course, under direct glare of the headlights, you might see a bit whitewashed look of the number plates. But if they are not directly under the glare of headlights, a crystal clear read of the number plate, absolutely no noise, all letters and numbers clearly visible. So a camera filled with practical features giving you the best possible quality within that budget range. Why get anything else? Go ahead, get the Smart Dashcam Pro X. You'll find the link for it right down below in the description. And if you do have any queries, any doubts regarding this camera, just write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if this video has helped you out in making the correct purchase decision, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of my channel right now, smash that like button and share this video with all your friends who are looking for some under 5000 budget dash cameras. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.